dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
Fasten your seatbelt, and away we go. Oh, well, on with the show. Guess who?
The true life story you are about to see was lifted from the files of the Bunko Squad. We call it the case of the gullible woodpecker.
Man, is he loaded. What'll I use on this pigeon? Gold brick, Brooklyn Bridge. Ah, phony treasure map.
A buried treasure? Wow!
A person obsessed with greed is easy prey for the confidence man.
One first-class ticket on the Queen Mini.
Minefields! Christmas Island! Easter Island! Cataloni Island, next stop. You tip him, native boy.
Natives seem to be friendly.
If Woody had gone right to the police, this would never have happened.
17 paces due north. I think I'm getting warm. Yikes!
Fire extinguishers!
I'll take one.
Get your late treasure map right here, $40.
Now, 10 paces south. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey, Bud, map 2, $50.
Then due west to a toll bridge.
$12.75, please.
If Woody had gone right to the police, this would never have happened.
Hooray! It's here! This is it! I better get a shovel. He looks kind of familiar. I found it! I'm rich! Haven't I seen you someplace before? my last dollar.
Okay, this is my last key.
I've been swindled.
If Woody had gone right to the police, this would never have happened.
I would like to deposit this for a rainy day.
Yes, sir. It looks kind of stormy now.
This is a stick-up.
Stop, you crook.
If Woody had gone right to the police,
Ah, shut up.
in a moment, you will see how we close the file on the case of the gullible woodpecker.
My money.